Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to build a data model in Excel and establish relationship between multiple tables. We will do this using four separate files having more than 3 lakhs rows. To begin, let's first open a new Excel file. Go to Power Pivot and click Manage. This will open the Power Pivot for the Excel window. In second step, we have to import the Excel files. Click on Get External Data and then from other sources. Scroll down to the end, select Excel file and click Next. After that, click Browse and go to the location where the raw files are saved. Select the file and click Open. Check this option and click Next. To complete the import, confirm, confirm the table is selected. Click Next. The data import process will begin depending on the file size and number of rows. This may take some time. Now you can see the datas are retrieving. It may take time according to the depending on the file size and number of rows. Once all the rows are successfully transferred, click Close. You will see all the columns and rows are imported to Power Pivot. Repeat these steps to import all the remaining files. Now that we have imported all the Excel files, we will establish relationships between these different tables. First, go to diagram view to see all the tables along with their column names. Let's start establishing the relationships between them. The common column between the raw file and category file is category ID and ID. Hold and drag category ID from the raw file and drop it to the ID column in the category table. The relationship is now established. Similarly, the common column between the raw file and location file is location ID and ID. Hold and drag location ID and drop it onto the ID column in the location table. Lastly, the common column between the raw file and creator file is creator ID and ID. Hold and drag creator ID and drop it onto the ID column in the creator table. Now that all relationships are established, our data model is complete. In the next video, we will learn how to create Excel dashboard using the same data model that we have just created. Hope you like my video. Please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.